Hello, this is David from Multisoft Corporation, your MLM solutions provider. Today we're going to go over the mail merge variables located within your policies and procedures located on your web page. So within your system, you have a link at the bottom of the page called Policies and Procedures. These policies and procedures can be edited for your corporation as you see fit. But in order to access those, we're going to go to Website, Page Management, Site Pages. When that appears, we're going to do a search for policies, and you should have at least two of them in there, one of them for distributors and affiliates, and one for anonymous users. So the one we're going to focus on today is anonymous users. So we're going to go ahead and click on the Preview Edit button so that we can see what the policies and procedures looks like. So as you can see, it looks just exactly like it would look if I clicked on that link on the bottom of the page. But what you don't see is all of the mail merge variables that are located within the document that are pulling codes and filling in information automatically for you every time the page is open. So if we take, for example, right here where it says Independent Sales Representative Status, as you can see, it's all in capitals. And also this one right here, Becoming an Independent Sales Representative. Part of this is a mail merge variable. Also, right here, Independent Sales Representative. As you can see, it's a little bit different format, but it's the same thing and is pulling in over and over and over again within your system. So this is why the mail merge variables make it easy to make changes within your system. Also, on the bottom of your page, we have some information on the corporation, email addresses, phone numbers. If anything changes in your system and you update it, either under website site settings or under company corporate profile, it will automatically change it within your system here as well. So the first thing we need to do is go ahead and click on Edit Content. Once we do that, it's going to open up the HTML editor, and as we can see, rank title upper. And if you remember when we were looking at this, the rank title was there before and it was all in uppercase. So that would be the one there, but maybe you don't want it uppercase. So you can select this and you can change the mail merge variable to rank title, and there's a lot of them in here. Say you want to change it to normal, you can put that in there as normal. So what it'll do is it'll print it just like you would if you were, say, handwriting it. As you can see, that code is also used in here as well. Okay, so any of these mail merge variables can be pulled in to your policies and procedure. Some of these you may or may not want to, such as distributor information. Obviously, this is anonymous, so these are people that are coming in that are not logged into your system. But maybe you wanted to put in a contact me, or maybe you wanted to put in the current date within the system. And let's go ahead and do that and see what, let's go ahead and put it right above here. So let's put in current date. Okay, so that everybody knows what date it is. On the bottom down here, maybe you want to show more information or possibly less information. I don't see our web page address in here, so maybe let's go ahead and add that in. So I'm just going to hit the enter button just like I would in any other program to get a space. And I'm going to put in their company website. Okay. So now when I'm all done, I'm going to go ahead and hit save and exit. And what it's going to do is come back to here. So as you can see, Independent Sales Representative has changed to a regular instead of just all uppercase. Also the date, we put the date variable in here. That was added right here. And if we scroll down to the bottom, you should see that the website address is now in the bottom. So if for any reason I changed this website address within the system, if I updated my web address, it would automatically change this for me without having to come back in here. And that is the benefit of using a mail merge variable to pull these in instead of going in and, say, typing them out each and every time. So now this is all done. You've updated it. Similar to the web pages, you are going to have to push this to publisher, and it will have to be published in your site under website, publish content, in order for all of your changes to appear on your website. Until you do that, only the admins in the back office will be able to see any of those changes to the content. Please share this webinar training with your company administrators and support team in order to enhance the services provided to your customers and distributors. We appreciate your feedback and input. Please let us know if this helped and how we can improve supporting you. If you have any questions about this or any other trainings, would like to schedule a one-on-one training with one of our CSRs, or would like to speak with a Multisoft account executive, please call us at area code 239-945-6433 or submit a help desk ticket request at helpdesk.marketpowerpro.com. Thank you and have a wonderful day.